Okay, it is worser. Harvey said it's worser, and it is worser, right, baby?
Worser out there, man.
Hear the New York sirens being New York stupid. Uh-oh, here comes another fire.
And it's cold, too.
That's my goofy husband. There's somebody down there trying to battle the elements.
Worser.
Uh-oh. These emergency vehicles actually sound normal. They're not going whoop, 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 whoop. Uh-oh. This is a part of what we see every day, party people. In California, you never see any emergency vehicles, but once they're over here, you see them once every 3 to 4 minutes. Ari, stupid. Okay, look at the beach. You cannot see no beach. All the surf consists of, shut up. All the surf consists of snow.
Oh, still got a better camera.
You be quiet. Smell like a Sears perfume counter. Where were you today?
Better camera.
Yeah, well, we're stupid. Oh, we're sharing this with you guys. Danny, send me some tips on how to take good pictures of different elements in the snow and stuff, because you take very good pictures. Right? Uh-oh. Snow's getting all over the camera. I gotta be all out. Peace!